Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an Agile coach and a Scrum Master. You can probably guess this is a bit of a different video. Normally I would stand here with my big flip chart. Today I will share something else. When I do physical workshops in particular, I tend to have a Kanban board with the agenda with papers like this, where I have the exercises that we are going to do, and it's just a nice visual representation on the wall for the participants to see. So these are the exercises. We have a break or we have lunch here, and so on. It requires, of course, some work to create these agenda cards, but I've come up with a different solution. So I hope that you will like this video. And please subscribe and share. That would be super awesome. I have spent some time on developing a little tool that I will share with you. And if you look, I've updated my very personal website at least. So now I have a menu and a Liberating Structures page. So on this page, we can select different structures that we want to use. So for instance, we have impromptu networking. We have both a description to the official Liberating Structures website, where you will find the different steps, the riffs and so on how to run this. You also have a link to my YouTube where I share, so there is an ad here, where I share how I would facilitate it. So let's say that we want to run a session where we want to have some impromptu networking, 15% solutions, Troika consulting, maybe a conversation cafe as well. And then we have some support structures here. These are not liberating structures. It's just all the things that I normally would use anyway. So for instance, I would like an introduction slide. I would like some headers. So to do, doing, done. I would also like to have a closing, so where I can recap the day. I normally also start with the best hopes. So what do the participants want from this day? Is a lunch probably, and we want 2 breaks. Then what I do now is I click download PDF. That will generate a PDF and send it to your computer. And then you have agenda cards for impromptu networking, 15% solution, Troika consulting, conversation cafe, introduction, and then these to do, doing, done, closing. We normally have some kind of rating of feedback for the session. That's why I had this. Best hopes, lunch, and then the number of breaks we wanted. You can pick up to 3 breaks, and it will be 3 different illustrations. Hopefully this can help you also do some kind of this. If you like the idea, then you can just add the structures that you're missing, or exercises that I have not covered. If you have a specific liberating structures that you would really like me to add, please just send me a message with the name of the structure, and I'll see if I can draw up something. No promises on timeline though. It will probably not be a day-to-day thing. But my hope and my goal is to slowly build it out with more structures. And as always, and maybe even more so today, if you have feedback or comments or questions, either to me, the video, or in particular this website, please let me know. Send me a message, write a comment. That would be super, super, super awesome. And that's it. I hope that you can use this for something awesome, and then please share how you have used it. And have a super awesome day.